Good morning, sir. Good morning, classmate. I am Mariel Manasigan, together with my partner, Axel Mojica, and today we're going to discuss the Indonesian police system. The vision of Indonesian police system is to establish of a safe and orderly Indonesia in support of the vision and mission of the President and Vice President. Advanced Indonesia that is sovereign, independent, and has personality based on mutual cooperation.
Introduction. The organization is now independent and is under the direct auspice of the President of Indonesia. The Indonesian National Police is responsible for law enforcement and policing duties all over Indonesia. The organization is widely known for its corruption, violence, and incompetence. So, ang organisasyon daw po ay independent na ngayon at nasa ilalim na ng direktang pagtangkilik ng Pangulo ng Indonesia. Ang pulis ng Indonesia ay responsible daw po para sa pagpapatupad ng mga batas at tungkulin sa pagpupulis sa buong Indonesia. Ang organization daw po ay malawak na kilala sa katiwalian, karahasan at kawalan ng kakayahan. The Indonesian National Police is also takes part in international United Nations mission and after special training provides security for the UNAMID mission to protect internally displaced people in Darfur. So, ang police daw po ng Indonesia ay nakibahagi din sa mga international na misyon ng United Nations at pagkatapos ng special na pagsasanay ng nagbigay ng seguridad para sa misyon ng UNAMID na protektahan ang mga internally displaced na tao sa Darfur.
Its mission is to protect, nurture, and serve the community in providing protection for the entire nation and a sense of security to all citizens and encouraging cultural progress that reflects the nation's personality, as well as upholding a legal system that is free of corruption, dignified and reliable, and ensuring the achievement of a sustainable environment. The presidential promise in the police is enforcing the law against crimes of thuggery, environment, drugs, money laundering, radicalism, terrorism, and intolerance and PPA. Improving synergy and cooperation between law enforcement agencies and the Indonesian military. Developing professionalism and welfare of INP members, bureaucratic reforms to suppress corruptive culture and excessive actions or excessive violence. The objectives is to ensure the maintenance of security and public order throughout the territory of the Republic of Indonesia, to enforce the law with fairness, to achieve a professional INP, to modernize INP services, and to establish an integrated and reliable INP management. Indonesian National Police. Kepolisian Negara Republik Indonesia is the official police force for Indonesia. So, ang Kepolisian Negara Republic Indonesia ay ang official na police force ng Indonesia. It had formerly been a part of the Tentara Nasional Indonesia. The headquarters known as Markas Besar or Mabes in Indonesian, is located in Kebayoran Baru, South Jakarta, Indonesia. Ang headquarters na kilala bilang Markas Besar or Mabes sa Indonesian ay matatagpuan sa Kebayoran Baru, South Jakarta, Indonesia. The police were formally separated from the military in April 1999, a process which was formally completed in July 2000. With 150,000 personnel, the police form a much smaller portion of the population than in most nations. The total number of national and local police in 2006 was approximately 470,000. So, noong April 1999 daw, formal na nahiwalay ang pulisya sa militar. Isang formal na proseso na natapos noong July 2000. Sa 150,000 na personnel, bumuo lamang sila ng smaller portion ng population, di gaya ng sa karamihan ng mga bansa. Ang kabuuang bilang ng pambansang lokal na pulisya noong 2006 ay humigit kumulang 470,000. The strength of the Indonesian National Police stood at approximately 285,000 in 2004. The National Police Force was formally separated as a branch of the armed forces and placed under the office of the President in 1999. It also includes 12,000 Marine Police and an estimated 40,000 People Security or CAMRA trainees who serve as a police auxiliary and report for 3 weeks of basic training each year. So, ang lakas ng pambansang pulisya daw ng Indonesia ay humigit kumulang 285,000 noong 2004. Ang pambansang puwersa ng pulisya na pinaghiwalay bilang sangay ng sandatahang lakas at inilagay sa ilalim ng tanggapan ng Pangulo noong 1999. Kasama din dito ang 12,000 na Marine Police at estimated na 40,000 People Security o CAMRA trainees who serve as a police auxiliary and report for 3 weeks of training bawat taon. In 2000, the police force officially regained its independence and now is separate from the military. So, nung year 2000 daw, ang police force ay tuluyang nabawi ang kalayaan at napahiwalay na ito sa militar. So, dito naman tayo sa kanilang organization. Meron sila ditong POLRI. It is a centralized national bureaucracy. As a national agency, it has a large central headquarters in Jakarta. The meaning of POLRI is the State Police of Republic of Indonesia. Policy Daerah or POLDA. It covers provinces, district commands. Policy Resor or POLRES for districts, sub-district commands. Polsec and Community Police Officers or POLMAS. Service Individuals Villages.
Ranks of Indonesian National Police. In the early years, the POLRI used European police-style ranks like inspector and commissioner. When the police included into military structure during 1960, the rank changed to a military style such as a captain, major, and colonel. Sa mga unang taon daw po, ginamit ng POLRI ang European police style ranks tulad ng inspector at commissioner. Nang isama ang police sa structure ng militar, Noong 1960, ang mga hanay ay nagbago sa isang estilo ng military tulad ng captain, major at colonel. In the year 2000, when the Polri conducted the transition to a full independent force out of the Armed Force 2000, they used British-style police rank like inspector and superintendent. The Polri have returned to the Dutch-style ranks just like in the early years. Noong taong 2000 daw po, nang isagawa ng Polri ang paglipat sa isang ganap na independent na puwersa mula sa armadong puwersa. Noong 2000, gumamit sila ng mga ranggo ng pulis na estilong British tulad ng inspector at superintendent. Ang Polri ay bumalik din sa Dutch style na ranggo tulad ng mga naunang taon. High-ranking officer, Police General, Police Commissioner General, Police Inspector General, and Police Brigadier General. Sa Police General po, equivalent po siya sa General in Army. Then sa Police Commissioner naman po, equivalent po niya ay Lieutenant General. Sa Police Inspector po, equivalent naman po ng Police Inspector ay Major General. Then sa Police Brigadier General po, ang equivalent niya po ay Brigadier General. Mid-rank officer, Police Grand Commissioner, Police Grand Commissioner, Adjutant, and Police Commissioner. Sa Police Grand Commissioner po, equivalent niya ay Colonel. Then sa Police Grand Commissioner Adjutant po ay equivalent po niya ay Lieutenant Colonel. Then sa Police Commissioner naman po, ang equivalent niya po sa Indonesia ay Major. Low rank officer, Police Commissioner Adjutant, First Police Inspector, and Second Police Inspector. Sa Police Commissioner Adjutant po ay equivalent po niya sa Indo ay Captain. Then sa First Police Inspector naman po, ang equivalent niya po ay First Lieutenant. Then sa Second Police Inspector po, equivalent niya po is Second Lieutenant. Warrant Officer, First Police Inspector Adjutant, Second Police Inspector Adjutant. Sa Police Inspector po, ang equivalent niya po ay Chief Warrant Officer. Then sa Second Police Inspector Adjutant po ay ang equivalent niya po is Warrant Officer. Non-Commissioned Officer, Chief Police Brigadier, Police Brigadier, First Police Brigadier, and Second Police Brigadier. Sa Chief Police Brigadier po, ang equivalent niya po ay Sergeant Major. Then sa Police Brigadier po, ang equivalent niya po is Chief Sergeant. Sa First Police Brigadier po ay ang equivalent niya po ay First Sergeant. Then sa Second Police Brigadier po, ang equivalent niya po ay Second Sergeant. Enlisted, Police Brigadier Adjutant, First Police Brigadier Adjutant, and Second Police Brigadier Adjutant. Sa first police brigadier adjutant po, ang equivalent po niya is chief corporal. Then sa first police brigadier naman po, ang equivalent niya po is first corporal. Then sa second police brigadier naman po is ang equivalent niya po is second corporal. Chief Bahayangkara, first Bahayangkara, and second Bahayangkara. Sa Chief Bahayangkara po, equivalent naman po niya is Chief Private. Sa first Bahayangkara po is ang equivalent naman po niya is Private First Class. Then sa second Bahayangkara po, ang equivalent naman po niya is Private.